Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's been a long time. Hello world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Um, yeah, but today I got a special announcement, right? So first of all, it's been a long time since I made some videos, right? So let's go to my channel. It's been 8 months since I made a video, right? But the announce now we're gonna get started back on track. But the special announcement is we're going to be diving deep into DevOps and cloud. And the platform we're going to be using, right, is KodeKloud. So let me show you. KodeKloud.com, right? This website right here, right? And this is where this is you master DevOps, cloud and AI hands-on. So before we get started, right? Let me explain to you this visually. You know how you play video games, right? So when you start at level 1 with no knowledge at all and no skills, you don't know what's going on and you just jump into the game. So as I go through these learning paths, these things called learning paths, right? They have this thing called learning paths. Let me highlight it, right? So as we go through it, we will gain experience and level up by completing different challenges. And the early starting our levels are Linux containers. So we're going to be going into this one, DevOps engineer, right? So we're going to be going from I know nothing to basics right here to containers to IAC concepts, right? So, and then, the middle of the game will be like fighting bosses and battles with Kubernetes and containers, right? So these are the containers right here, and these are the this is the Kubernetes that we're gonna. These are the basics right here. But and later on we're gonna be mastering monitoring, security and real world architect. So this is where the IAC concepts, right? This is what we're gonna be going through. Okay, but the first path, like I highlighted, so I'm gonna go here learning all paths. It's gonna be DevOps. Actually, yeah, we're gonna start with DevOps right here. We're not gonna do engineering because that's a little bit. Um, we'll do that a little bit later. So the DevOps right here, from knowing nothing to container to concepts, right? Um, all right, and then so this will be. Let's see. Let's go through this. So it's pretty structured. So the learning basics of DevOps and networking will be doing DevOps prerequisites course and then fundamentals of DevOps. And then right here we're gonna learn about Golang, which is a programming language. And then we're gonna get like Python. We're gonna be learning about Python. We're gonna be learning about shell scripts for beginners, right? And then we're gonna be learning version control like Git, and then sorry about that. My alarm came on. Then we're gonna learn about Jenkins for beginners. That's learning CI/CD concepts, and then ACE container concepts, and Docker for absolute beginners. And then we go down this tree, learning container orchestration, Kubernetes, and for beginners. And then we go to learning automation, and then we master infrastructure as code concept, Terraform, and lastly will be IAC Learning Path Master observability, observability, I can't even say that word. Master observability and monitoring, and then doing Prometheus, Grafana, Loki, DevOps interviews later on, and then the 7 months. Um, but yeah, so we're gonna be just going all through this. Like we're gonna go through all this. Yeah, like the container right here. This is the container. See, it's a lot of information, and then IASIC concept. So we're gonna really dive deep into it. Okay. So we're gonna just be going through DevOps for right now. Okay. And these are all the learning paths that you could choose from right here. So yeah. So what I want to tell you guys, let me think. So the in the upcoming videos, I'm gonna break down each section, right? I'm gonna break down each sections of these, all these learning paths, because there's so many. See right here, system administrator, Kubernetes administrator, site reliability engineer, Kubernetes developer, platform engineer, DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, artificial, and so on. There's so much content. And again, from all this stuff, we're gonna start from zero with no knowledge at all, and each video will be like, it'll be like, we'll be gaining experience and leveling up together. So don't forget to subscribe and join me on this journey. We're gonna start from level 1 to 0, and let's grind these DevOps skills together. And I'll see you in the next one. But before that, um, I will drop this link so you can sign up, right? You can sign up. You can sign up. So the link will be in my description, right? I have a special link that you could go on, um, and then you could join up, and later I will be able to have some free trials. Um, Probably giving out some free trials or something like that. Um, but yeah, I'll have that link in my description. Um, so you can sign up for these learning paths. If you want to join it, and I highly recommend this, and you'll see. All right, thank you everyone, and hope you have a blessed day and stay safe out there, and see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.